Keep going. Oh. Your dad will get it. Now you gotta put it in the right way. Turn it around. I gotta turn it around. Look. Why'd you go with a different letter? That's right. That's right. Good boy. Press it. Press it. Press. H. Can you say H? O. Can you say O, Jaden?
Every letter makes a sound.
Hey, big boy. No, you gotta spin it around. Turn it. There you go. There you go. X.
Every letter makes a sound. X. C. C says. And C says.
Turn it around until it fits. There you go.
Every letter makes a sound. X.
That almost sounds like Elmo. Doesn't it sound like Elmo?
D. D says D.
D.
D. D says D says every letter makes.
What are you throwing them for, Goofy? Don't throw them. Don't throw it, Jay. Are you bored with it already? That's like 3 minutes. No, they're not going to stick over there. Alright. Yeah, no, you don't need to play with that. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say what? Say bye?